Let's bake some bread without using flour. I had fun making this bread and I thought I'd share. Okay, let's go. So 3 fresh eggs is what I used here. So I just break them open naturally into my mixing bowl. And so after doing that, the next thing I added was half cup of peanut butter. Yes, so I call this bread peanut bread. You can call it whatever you want, but absolutely I did not use any flour. So that's half tablespoonful of baking powder and half tablespoonful of vinegar. Yes, vinegar. Just watch, it was fun. Then I use my fork to mix thoroughly. If you have your hand mixer, that will work, but what I did was to turn it into my blender and I used my mix option. I wanted a perfect or near to perfect output. So when baking, your prepping is very important. So after giving it about 1 or 2 pulls, then I scooped it out. Yeah, and it gave me very good mixture, and that's what I was looking for. Okay, so here I added like 2 cups of granolas, and it's optional. You can add some nuts, you can add pecans, you can add some grains of your choice, you can add whatever, or you leave it like this. Like this part is absolutely optional, but I added it because I wanted some texture for the bread. Then I added a tablespoonful of sugar. You can decide not to add sugar or you can add more. Again, this one is optional and is up to you, it's your choice. Then after mixing thoroughly, I brought out my pan. I greased it very well, and the reason for this is so that after baking it comes out neat. Okay, or you can put some baking sheets on that. Is up to you. It will give you the same result. So I've poured my mixture into my baking pan. I tried to level it very well, and I baked at 250 degrees. At this time, while I was doing this, my oven is already at 250 degrees, and that was for 25 minutes. I brought it out, allowed it to rest for about 10-15 minutes, and I just give it some side scoop to help it come out neatly, and voila, that is my peanut bread. Yes, no flour added, and I gave it a very good slice. Oh my friends, this was so yummy. It was super quick, very easy. Like you can even bake this in the morning and take as your snack to work or to school, or give it to your children as morning snack or breakfast or wherever you want. Like you don't have to be buying every snack from the grocery store. Okay, follow me on my YouTube and subscribe to my YouTube channel Ngozi Atiti Vlogs. Follow me on Instagram Atiti Ngozi, and also click the follow button on my TikTok for other kitchen hacks and healthy meal ideas. Bye bye.